Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Nice to have you here. I hope everybody is in good health and good strength. People, before I get into this video, I want to take the time out to say big respect, enough respect to all of my viewers and subscribers. Because without you all, this wouldn't happen. Without each and every one of you, this one would not happen. Also, I want to let you all know that whatever you hear, or see on Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle, it's the truth, nothing but the truth, the honest truth, the only truth, honestly, to God. Yes, I did that. That's just to show you that I won't go tell, me not go tell no lie upon people, just forget likes, or forget subscriber, no. Anything come out my mouth, I know about it. Or I'll tell you my opinion towards it. I will not tell you a lie. None of my videos that you hear me talk or you hear me do is a lie. None of them. So I just wanted to know and assure you that I do my due diligent of investigation, communication, and everything to get what I need to get. So with that said, let me take the time out to big up a few YouTubers like myself, or like myself. First of all, big up, enough respect to Oliver Lifestyle, J.A. Oliver, enough respect youth. If me wrong, you tell me say, you're wrong. If me right, you say, yes youth, you're right. Do your thing. Big up yourself, Oliver Lifestyle, J.A. People, viewers and subscribers, go over Oliver, check him out. See what I go out with. You may not like his video, you may see difference with his video. It may not be your opinion, but give him a shout out. Yeah, check him out. The next person I want to talk about is Rumram the Trucker. Check out Rumram the Trucker. Again, his opinion, his ideas may not be yours, but see where I go on with first. Don't say you not go over there until you go over there. Enough respect to Rumram. The next person is the Grey Family TV. Check out the Grey Family TV and give them a like, give them a share. Enough respect, manners. Another YouTuber, upcoming YouTuber, Murphy Family TV. Check out Murphy Family TV, man. Give them a like, give them a share. Again, their opinion maybe not yours. But we have 7 brothers, 7 different minds. Each and every one of us have our own opinion. Then you have Jamaica Sensation, Jarastafari. Enough respect youth. Go over there, give him a check, like, share, comment on him videos. You may not like his videos. That go up to you. Last but not least, remember this one. Ocean and Nova TV. Yeah, man. Nice young family, young youth, young girl, young lady. They might do them thing. They might do some farming. They might build them own house. So go over there, check out Ocean. No, Ocean, I think Ocean and Nova TV. I go have to really look on it. Really good. But check them out. So remember, me go recap. So from bottom, Ocean and Nova TV. Check them out. And then you have Jamaica Sensation. Check him out. Then you have Murphy Family TV. Give him a check. The Grey Family TV. check him out too. And then you don't know, room ram the trucker. Pure vibes. Then you have the one and only Oliver Lifestyle JA. Check them out. Give them a like. And you don't know what you do? Like and share this video. Comment on this video and make you do a thing. And don't forget to subscribe. Anyway, peace out.
Watch out going on, man. Alright. Dip on the road. Watch out. So I know me a drive. So I go on. So guy man drive in car now. And guys, guess what is special about this time when you don't see me on the steering? Man getting license.
Guys, that is good. That is so good. You know, guys, when you have a person around you who cares about you, that's one of the most important things. Cares. The word care is so important to this young man. Because remember, this young man is not climber son.
You know the thing come down. So right now, if we're outside of the car and show you know, the car itself, you know, we say oh, the car dusty, the car want wash. And the reason for that being is because you see him never have a license. The car park. You see me? Cause me not drive it, you know. Yeah. So at one point, you know, me did hear people say, him can't drive, him can't whatever. So right now, him can literally drive anywhere in Jamaica right now, not without having to worry about being stopped by the po-po. Yeah, that is it. That is it. So, I'm going to a quick little story, cause the thing is, I want everybody to know is that all of my team member them, you see me how me deal with them, I try to make sure say yo, I elevate them to the fullest. Alright? So now I know say yo, always live with me for the past going on 4 years now. You see me? As a son, fully make sure I say yo, I'm good. You see me? Send him go school, you don't know the whole process behind that. Whole run up and down, what did I have to go with to get him transfer from
Guys, just listen. Just listen how nice and breath of fresh air that is. Did you hear what Colaz Smith said about his team? About his team members. That's one of the most important things he just said. His team members, he have to make them okay to the fullest. And this gentleman lives in his house for 4 years. So, what me I say is, a whole heap of people I say how me, as a whole man, I beat down on people. But let me say this. Nobody is beating down on nobody. All we do is just a say, and I tell you, and I teach you. The only thing is we not teach you and I sugarcoat it to you. We are tell you say, what you are do is wrong. What Colaz Smith do, what Colaz Smith do, it's right. And a lot of people don't like Colaz Smith for what him do. But because Colaz Smith now do what some people do, he's the enemy of a lot of people. You feel me? You see what I say? The good you do, you're the worst. People don't like you. But you do the wrongs. You do bad things. You're a great guy. You're a great person. Anyway, I have a next video to show you And then we go have conversation, small conversation about watch this video. Now, viewers and subscribers, this is a different video. And the reason for showing you this video is just to show you the difference between a lot of people and who Colaz Smith really is. Listen to this gentleman, watch what go happen.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You don't know the boy Climber. So today I get a activity to do in a class and topics about family tree. So we don't kind of understand the whole topic, you know, people. So I come home and I tell Colaz I understand the topic, and he say I will show me how to do it. You know, so see book here, people. See family tree right here, so. So he will show me how to read up the family tree and things so and just to calculate through.
Alright, people, check in. So,
now, my viewers and my subscribers, that gentleman, young youth, go to school and he realize when him say him no understand it, and him come home and him ask Colaz. Him ask Colaz to help him. See Colaz there stand up right there. Chart pan wall and Colaz have him pointing stick. Now, what more of a team member or a boss or a father would you really want to have? Watch the video.
yeah man, like always say him get a work to do, family tree, and him not really understand it fully and thing. So me I go attempt, you know, for give him a better understanding. Hopefully, him can learn something from this. And anybody else who watching, you know, and you reach that part there in a class, so you can learn something from it as well. Yeah, because when I don't know, say, I want him to do his best, so I try my best for, you know, go over anything him get in a class, you know, when him come home in the evenings. Alright, so when him get in a book, me not touch that none at all. He might go do that part by himself. Me just jump one right there so. Hopefully me can kinda, you know, give him an understanding of how to read this. Alright, so family tree, right? So first you have Mary and you have John. See? Alright, so Mary and John have Suzette, Junior, Tommy, and Jane. Alright? So Mary and John basically have 1, 2, 3, 4 kids. Or 4 children. Alright. Come a little closer and make them see this. I know you see that little plus sign here with that little O there underneath it. And you see Pam right here. Pam is not one of Mary and John's children. Pam is married to Tommy. Right? So anytime you see this little symbol, it means.
Now, isn't that lovely? Isn't that sweet? Isn't that nice and decent to say what he's doing, showing Climber out. Listen, he's not doing Climber's homework. He's showing, he must show Climber a different way to do it. Then Climber have to go to his book to do his homework, but now he's showing, teaching Climber to do the thing. Watch this video.
The person is married to the other person there. Alright? And these line and arrows represent a second generation or another generation. So right here you have Junior from Mary and John children. Junior have here, and Junior have 3 children of his own, and Peter and Sam. Right? Of all Junior 3 children, one of them married. Because you see the symbol right here. See? So one of them married. And Sam is the only one that's married. So Sam is married to Pat, right? And then you see that you're following the line, and each line represent that new generation, like me say. And then Joseph right here is married to Emily, right? So Joseph and Emily have one child, right? And the child is Johnny, right? So
My viewers and subscribers, we know you all get what me I try to show you all. The difference and the respect of a human being different from some people. Some people love, care, and respect their team members, who is around them, and who they can help. Some people don't. And that's just how some of us are. We were either born that way or decide to be that way. So I have a next video for you all. So stay tuned. Watch this video. Yes, my people. So this one now is the final one. Then I'll explain the reason why I make this video to you. Check out Pappy. Listen to what Pappy from Pappy Spearfishing Lifestyle have to say. Listen.
Check in, welcome back to the channel. It's about Pappy. I'm there today over on Pappy Lifestyle Vlog. Don't know if it come down. Yeah, so there I will do a nice short story time and how my life changed after joining Colaz Smith TV. Yeah, I don't know if it come down. We didn't want to do that story time about a couple of years now, and people are still in their ability. Confident to come forward and do it. You see me? Because we start first and foremost to big up Colaz Smith. I don't know if it come down. When I first off, before we joined the team, yeah, we've been at the YouTube, but we never have a channel for myself. We have our next week, but no YouTube see, I don't know if it come down. So I usually watch Colaz then. I usually watch Colaz then on TV, yeah? I usually watch the channel. They normally do on Saturday or Friday night, like one of them. Saturday or Friday night, we don't want to do like Friday or Saturday night, I don't quite remember. They usually do a live with them dance and play music. So me usually down the road at night time. A weekend time and hear the live and hear Colaz and me and watch it and me and hear them because I don't live far from there, you see me? So I watch the live and me and hear them same time up on the hill. You see it? So me always I say, them vibes them want to have and thing and thing. Me usually, true, I listen. I can't tell them a friend. The socks can't climb Murphy, I don't know anything about a friend for a longer time, you see me? And them dip on the team, so me we did always go up on the team so we can be there around each other, see them like other than when they don't go on there around each other, right? Yeah, because you don't know a friend. I think for a couple of years well, so Colaz now, same, him didn't know me back then. They didn't know him now, but being in mind that they small when we leave country, go Kingston, or live, you see me? But them time them never really remember him, you see me? But him didn't know me. Remember when you up on music and all of that. You see? So, time to time you just like go by in the video, go around and thing, now and then, till one day.
Now if you come from one at the back, you realize what him does say. He might go around them. Always I hear them want to be involved in there. Because him that work with the next youth, him and the next youth that do something. But him always want to involve. Him want to get involved in them thing, and then he start to go around them, listen the video.
We go by and we did that. We feel comfortable, everybody welcome me, see my Colaz welcome me. Bear in mind everybody on the team, Colaz welcome me, see and we did that. We go video with them, basically.
Listen to what that gentleman just said he wasn't on the team, but him a do video, him a go with them, him a do video with them, in a on the team. And that he didn't say what length of time, or he never say how long it is, but him say him never there on the team, but him continue to go around. Listen to this part of the video.
Just so add me for the team, you see me? And you see from that day, pull out to some weeks and add me for the team. My life basically from right here, so up to up here, so. You see me? You make that. Well, not put this so. You make it this stay so, well, this stay so, and it goes straight now. You see me? So you take a next turn now, straight shot. From then coming up as a motivator, push me, up on the right track, you see me? Yeah man. But in then he go for us to tell you say if we don't go school, you can't come in a video then to show you.
Wow. Yeah. Did you all viewers and subscribers? No, this me are laughing about this is mind blowing. I have to listen to what this guy said. Colaz said to him, no school, you can't depend on the team. That's a boss I want to work for. That's a boss anybody should want to work for. That is a boss that will make mountain moves. Continue watch the video.
When you want to go school and things, isn't it? He push. The man go far as me have me here, me say me not chill. The man say, man, let what you want to do. Carry what I want to barber shop and make a trade. You see? And so you can go on the channel and see that video. And say, come man, school September morning. Because COVID just happened. School September morning. And all over school. After that school. So you can't come in at the video then. You see me so thing. For Friday evening time when you have video to shoot, school done, you just make him a pint of juice if you reach home on time, you go catch him video. We know them with that Colaz and Saturday let's start the video, but make him a pint of juice if you reach at least in the last part of the video. You see me because big change in my life, you see me, I really appreciate it up to today. You see me? Yeah man. Man life way easier. You see me? Man show me a way. I can help myself and help my family. You see? And I really appreciate it as I can see. You show me fish. I go ahead and show more than 10 people. You see me? So all I want one, Colaz are the big man in the team. Colaz are the father for all.
Alright. Alright guys, viewers and subscribers. The young guy, the youth say Colaz show him how to fish, and him show 10 people how to fish. Who can love Colaz? Who listen to every word what the guy said. A lot of people out there believe we upon YouTube are tear down other people. We not tear down other people. The reason why we talk good about Colaz is the brother I do good things. Any person where I do good things, me go talk about them I do good things. If you do bad things, me go talk about you I do bad things. Whether if you want people want to say me howl, me a tear down the youths, me not tear down no youths. Me a make the youths them know say I so it go. It's only me not sugarcoat it. Me not be nice to them and I tell them go down and I rub them down and I talk to them. No. You have to talk to them hard. You have to show them the real way. Because when this youth I say, Colaz Smith do for him and change in life that he can help others and he can help him family and help himself. Bravo man. Bravo man. Take on hat off for Colaz Smith. No matter where you think you know or think you hear, listen to the youths them where him there on. Listen to the youths. me can't say it enough. The difference between Colaz Smith and a lot more YouTubers. Not call nobody name. But the thing is, and just think about it, Colaz Smith not have to help nobody, none of them enough to help. But he decided to do that. Continue watch this video.
You see? And he showed me the way. I'm just go so I take a look at time and I show people. So in the day, colors are the tree and one of the branch. You see? And the big tree and one of the branch. Over this, and we are spread. You see? And I'm the tree and the thing. To the whole of it, I don't know. Say. In the community over there right now, I did just, let me see. Like 2 persons did I do YouTube before Colaz come back and country. Just 2 persons. And now we can have a count how much channel. Like, yeah, as I said, we can have a count how much channel in the small community where the community is small, and right now they can count more than 50 YouTubers. And
you hear that? Colaz Smith give in team member the way of a fish. The team member them help other team member, other people, not team member, my excuse, help other people. Other people help other people. So from 2 YouTubers to about 50 YouTubers, all because of the help of Colaz Smith. Now let me say this to YouTubers who are out there. A lot of you who have a big platform and a small person is talking about you, you may believe we are trying to tear you down. Nobody are trying to tear you down. What we are trying to do is make you know that the cake is very big. All people need is a slice. All people need is help. A small help. You may not have the money or want to spend the money to help a person, but shouting out a YouTuber channel. Talk about one next new YouTuber. Talk about somebody else. Highlight somebody else. And your big channel is very good. People are say, oh, Jamaicans bad mind and a tear down people. But listen me good now. You don't have to listen to me. But listen this good. Nobody bad mind anybody will have any channel. Me personally, no bad mind nobody will have no channel. Because guess what? Me just a come here so. The thing is, you have a big channel, look out for another person. You don't have to give him the money. All you have to do, give him a shout out. Shout him out 1 and 2 times. Oliver Lifestyle, shout out a lot of people. People come on my channel and tell me, say, Oliver Lifestyle, send them over my channel. You know how nice that feel? That is nice to feel, to know that another YouTuber send somebody over my channel. Listen to Ram, who have a channel where him say he would have 1 subscriber. Yeah, he may say he have 1 subscriber. What name? J Progress. Come on him thing and say him a go work with him. Yeah, Ram said that. And he says J Progress help him. Now he crossed the line. Why cannot other people do the same thing? It's simple. YouTube is not here for no one person. Yeah, YouTube is not here for no one person. And as a matter of fact, YouTube is not here for no young person. YouTube is here for everybody. YouTube is here for he, she, and the whole lady. Man and woman. YouTube is here for. So if you have the courage, yeah, you, every one of you who are look for me right now and are listen. If you have the courage, if you have the time and can make the time, build a channel, come on YouTube, show yourself. If you don't want to show yourself, you can do faceless video. Talk to the world. Tell the world about you. Let the world know who you is. One thing I go say to you. Do not hate others because of what others say out of their mouth. Because each and everyone have our own opinion. My opinion may be different from yours. But don't hate me because of what I think or what I say, because you have no idea how I get my information. You don't like me, but guess what? I have nothing against you. Because guess what? You is you. You are you. I'm not going to come and tell you, don't say that. No, I cannot do that. And the reason why I cannot do that is that's your opinion. When you get your information and you do your video, the only thing I can do is listen. And if I have something to say, I'll write something under there. Me nah go do no video about all sort of different kind of things just to say you don't know what you are saying. Because you know why? You have no idea where I get my information from. If you see what me I say, you cannot say me I do something wrong or I say something wrong when you have no idea where my information is coming from. So my people, I go leave it right there. I ain't gonna say nothing more on this one. The only thing is, this is very nice. Again, enough respect, Colaz Smith. Big up yourself, youth. Big up yourself anywhere. As a matter of fact, I think you're over Brazil. Big up yourself in a Brazil, São Paulo. Play some soccer, eat some Brazilian food, and make some video. Bring back so we can see what Brazil is. What... Make some video. Bring it back. Post up some video so we can see what Brazil is all about from a Jamaican point of view. Because me never got Brazil yet. Yeah, me never got Brazil yet. So do your thing, show your thing, make we see what I go on, make everybody see what I go on. Enough respect. And no stop do the good work. Don't stop do the good work. Blessings, enough respect, and manners. Peace. I'm out.